I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you love being prepared for any situation and you're on the road a lot, you definitely need to check this out. It's the TOPUMP portable tire inflator and air compressor. What I love about this is not only does the case have a spot for everything, but the pump itself has a little section. It has all the attachments. You can easily switch to whatever inflation needs you have. If you need to pull off into the side of the road, you can easily grab this out of the glove compartment, open it up. You can plug it into a cigarette lighter to give power. It has a long air tube, which allows you to connect easily to the tire, but you also can charge this and then you can have it easily. Once you attach it to the tire, it tells you what the PSI is and what you want to set it to, and then you're ready to get just back on the road when you're done. It also is great for bicycles. You can use the small air tube, and just look how fast it airs it up. It is absolutely amazing. This was completely flat. That compartment, put that tube in. It comes with a manual that explains what all the parts are. You can get on your bike and enjoy it. It has a flashlight option. If it's dark, you can find things. It works for motorcycles so that you can pump up and be on your way. There's a pocket for the long cord, and in that compartment it has a needle for if you're wanting to pump up any of your sport ball needs. You can set it to whatever you need and it pumps it up immediately. You can easily take out the pin and put it back. Nice, simple compartment. I love how easy it is to access and pack up everything in just a few seconds. This is just such a wonderful, compact, easy to carry item that is just a must, whether it's an emergency or you need to get something done while you're on the go. I highly recommend this. And that's my point of view.